Every year, you work harder, but somehow you feel poorer. Your salary goes up, yet your money buys less. The scary part? It's not an accident. It's called inflation, and it's silently stealing your wealth every single day. Stay until the end, because once you understand this hidden system, you'll never look at money the same way again. Imagine you have $100 today. You put it under your mattress and never touch it. 10 years later, you still have $100. So what's the problem? The problem is that $100 can no longer buy what it used to. Inflation doesn't steal your money. It steals your money's buying power. And that's why millions of people become poorer, even while saving money. Inflation simply means prices keep rising over time. Food becomes more expensive. Rent becomes more expensive. Fuel becomes more expensive. Almost everything costs more than before. But your income usually doesn't grow as fast. That's when life starts feeling more expensive every year. One reason is simple. Governments print more money. When more money enters the economy, each dollar becomes slightly less valuable. Think about it like pizza. If one pizza is shared by 4 people, everyone gets a good slice. But if the same pizza is shared by 10 people, each slice becomes much smaller. Money works in a similar way. The more money there is, the less each unit is worth. Here's the hidden part. The people who own businesses, real estate, or investments often become richer during inflation because their assets increase in value, but people who only save cash lose purchasing power every year. That's why the rich often get richer, while everyone else struggles to keep up. Can't completely stop inflation, but you can stop letting it control your future. Keep learning valuable skills, increase your income, invest wisely, and never let your money sit idle forever. Money should work for you, not slowly disappear. Inflation isn't just higher prices. It's a hidden system that quietly reduces your purchasing power every single year. The sooner you understand it, the sooner you can make smarter financial decisions. Because becoming wealthy isn't only about earning more. It's about protecting the value of what you already have. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to MindSketch for more eye-opening videos about money, business, psychology, and the hidden systems shaping your everyday life.